We'll see her prepare Som Tum 2 different ways. That's cucumber. She hits it one direction and then turns it to the side and slices it. If you look to the right of your screen, you'll see links to videos where we show how she prepares the papaya and the mango for Som Tum. And there you can see the sliced green mango and cucumber. She looks at what we ordered. We ordered about 5 different things. That's fresh chili pepper. And here she's adding dried chili pepper to the one on her left. That will be the mango. She just took out a little bit of the fresh chili. She thought that was a little excessive. And then next goes garlic. Garlic went into each mortar. We sell that mortar and wood pestle at ImportFood.com. If you look to the right of your screen, we have the exact same thing. She uses that spoon. That is the stainless spoon from Zebra, which has just hundreds of uses. It's used throughout Thailand for cooking all kinds of things. We sell that spoon as well. Here goes an interesting thing. That's bu na, which is a crab. It's a fresh crab that lives in rice fields. She takes the crab and she removes the stomach part, that little shell in the stomach. They're the crabs. And then she breaks the crab in half and throws it right in. Those crabs hibernate January through April, and people go out and get them out of the rice field. This is the best time. They're the most healthy. Those are tomatoes. She has taken out tomatoes and put it into the mortar. And here go dried shrimp. That goes into each one. Next is fish sauce. A little bit of fish sauce in each mortar. And that is tamarind water. There goes lime juice, and this is palm sugar. The tamarind water is thin. It's just warm water with tamarind pulp. It's a sour, and that is regular white refined sugar. She adds that as well. This is shallot, and she puts the shallot into the mortar with the mango only. The shallot doesn't go with the cucumber. And there goes the mango. He says that's the Nam Dok Mai variety, which is very sour. Next you'll see her taste it. Gives it a quick taste, and then she'll add a little bit more fish sauce, a little bit more tamarind water, and palm sugar. At this point she's not really pounding it, she's just mixing it. You can learn the technique here at ImportFood.com. We have an entire series of street vendor videos. If you look to the right of your screen, there goes a little bit more fish sauce, a little more tamarind water, and a touch more of palm sugar. Ready to serve. And this was delicious. This is the Som Tum made with cucumber. Just add a little bit more fish sauce. bit of lime juice. And now that's ready to serve. We hope you enjoy our Thai street vendor video of how to prepare Som Tum. And thank you very much for watching.